In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check comps on eBay, focusing on understanding the sell-through rate and average sale price. To get started, first head over to eBay's homepage at ebay.com. This is where all the magic happens to help you find the value and demand for an item you're interested in selling. Next, use the search bar to enter the specific item you're researching. For example, if you're curious about how well a pair of Nike Dunk Low Panda Men's 10 is doing, just type that in. This search will show you a list of current and past listings, but to truly understand the performance of this item, we need to delve a bit deeper. On the search results page, look to the left side menu. There you'll find the filters you need to refine your search results. Specifically, check the boxes for sold items and completed items. These filters are crucial because they allow you to see which items actually sold and for how much, compared to those that didn't. As you start examining these listings, you'll notice different color codings. Prices highlighted in green indicate sold listings, meaning those items found a buyer. In contrast, prices in red or black represent unsold or expired listings. This color distinction provides a quick visual cue about each item's success on the platform. Understanding the sell-through rate is a vital step, as it tells you how many out of the total completed listings actually sold. You can calculate this manually with a simple formula. Divide the number of sold listings by the total number of completed listings, then multiply by 100 to get a percentage. For instance, if out of 100 completed listings, 40 have sold, your sell-through rate is 40%. It's generally accepted that a sell-through rate of 40% or higher is quite good. It indicates a healthy demand for the item in question and suggests a higher likelihood of successfully selling similar items. For those looking for deeper insights, eBay offers a free tool called Terapeak, available in your My eBay dashboard under the Selling menu and then Research. Once there, enter the name of your item to analyze its market data. Don't forget to adjust the filters according to your needs, choose the appropriate category, select a date range that makes sense for your analysis, anywhere from 30 to 365 days, and set other relevant filters like condition and format, whether auction or fixed price. Upon applying these settings, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of information, including the average sold price, the item's sell-through rate, total sales figures, and even price trends over time. These valuable insights will empower you to make more informed decisions about your selling strategy on eBay. That's it for today's guide. By following these steps, you can accurately gauge the value and demand for your items, ensuring a more strategic and effective approach to selling on eBay. Happy selling!